Now children, today let's start with chapter number 10, that is special care. So in this chapter, we will study about the care that we should take of our organs. So we see the beauty of this word when eyes hear the pleasant and unpleasant sound through ears, feel good or bad through skin, and all our senses functions together. और ये हमें help करते हैं to understand the world around us. Right? Basically, we have 5 sense organ: eyes, nose, ear, tongue, and skin. Eyes is a sense of sight, ear, sense of hear, tongue, sense of taste, skin, that is sense of ear, sense of hear. So people with special need, most of us are lucky as we can see. देखो ज़्यादातर जो लोग हैं अपने कहो दे आर लकी, वो देख सकते हैं, सुन सकते हैं, टेस्ट कर सकते हैं, एंड देयर आर सम पीपल विच आर ब्लाइंड एंड डेफ. दे आर वन द स्पेशल फिजिकली एबल्ड पीपल, देन इनकम स्पेशल पीपल भी कहते हैं, राइट. सो फिजिकली एंड मेंटली चैलेंज पीपल आर दोज whose body parts are not functioning normal. ठीक है, पीपल कैन फिजिकली चैलेंज ईदर बाय बर्थ और ड्यू टू पीपल हु कैन नॉट सी प्रॉपर्ली, उनको हम ब्लाइंड कहते हैं, राइट. जो वो वन ऑफ देम यूज अ वाइट स्टिक टू फील द सराउंडिंग when they walk. So they are special school. यहाँ पे blind school होता है, वहाँ पे उनको ब्रैली सिखाई जाती है. It's a language, right? With it is written on thick paper and which is using raised dot. Children in blind school are encouraged to develop their other talents: singing, playing musical instrument, candle making, woodcarving. Braille skill is developed by Louis Barr. He himself was blind but had a strong desire to write, read and write. So he developed a script. The next script developed करी using a combination of raised dot. People who cannot hear properly are called deaf. Minor depth in hearing can be removed by using what? Hearing aid. But permanent hearing damage cannot be repaired. Such people observe a lip movement. ये खाली lip movement से समझ जाते हैं. इसको हम lip reading कहते हैं. We have some mentally challenged people. They are not able to understand things like that. जैसे हम समझ सकते हैं, ऐसे वो नहीं समझ सकते. ये एक difference होता है. October 15 is observed as a World White Cake Day, and it is for blind people. Helen Keller. She was also blind, deaf and dumb girl, and she was a great author. You will study in your English books also about her, right? Next is old and sick people. People who do not feel well are called sick people. They need lot of love and care. We should keep in mind and follow some steps to take care of such sick people in our family. So World Old Age Day, when it is celebrated on 1st of October. They should be given healthy food. They should be given their medicines in time. They should be allowed to take enough rest. They should be kept clean and comfortable room, right? We should not make noise around them, and we should spend some time with them and try to keep them happy. So you can see that they become weak and not able to walk to undo their work themselves. They also develop many health problems. We should not neglect them, right? So what you will do, we should understand their needs and to be patient with them, advise and make them feel wanted. We should not let them feel lonely and not spend enough time with them. We should provide them meals and medicine in time. We should help them whenever they call for. ठीक है, तुमको हेल्प चाहिए, आपको उनकी हेल्प करनी चाहिए. So some old people have nobody to take care. Neither they can stay alone. तो उनको कहाँ रखा जाता है? They are kept in old age home, which has been made to stay with others elderly people under the same roof. Some homes looks after the needs of these kids. Then we have orphan. The children, those who have no parents or guardian, उनको कहाँ रखा जाता है? ऑर्फनेज में रखा जाता है. ये स्पेशल होम्स हो, ठीक है. दे आर प्रोवाइडेड विद, वहाँ पे उनको फूड, क्लोथिंग, शेल्टर, प्रॉपर एजुकेशन, सब कुछ मिलता है. वी शुड ऑलवेज डोनेट बुक्स, टॉयज एंड क्लोथ्स. सो दिस इज ऑल इन दिस चैप्टर. एंड सर्विंग ओल्ड एंड स्पेशली एबल्ड पीपल इज टू सर्विस टू गॉड. अगर आप इनकी मदद कर रहे हो तो आप किसको सर्विस दे रहे हो? गॉड को, राइट. दिस इज ऑल इन दिस चैप्टर. होप यू अंडरस्टूड ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. नाउ लेट्स मीट इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. थैंक यू.